one step forward, one step back. What are we doing? We are walking early in the morning, 8 o'clock. Hey guys, who likes misty weather? It's foggy here today.
Sorry you guys for being out of breath because I've been walking for almost 40 minutes so far.
While mommy's walking, the kids are playing in the playground. Hello, honey. Mommy's coming. Why? We're in the forest. Are you going to climb, honey? Yeah. Okay, don't worry. I'm not going to take you away. Honey, are you away? Sorry?
Mommy, close. I'm scared.
You want to climb it?
Okay.
Okay, don't worry. I'm not going to take you away. Honey, are you away? What happened to you? You've been playing in the dirt. Look at you. You look like a zombie.